Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the workspace. Install the stable VS Code build and add the language extensions you need, such as Python or C#. Once done, enable Git integration and pick your default terminal so commands run where you expect. Make sure to configure key bindings and editor settings for indentation and formatting. This saves time. You should also create a projects folder and open it in VS Code so the editor immediately indexes symbols and enables quick navigation. Next, you configure debugging and build tasks. Create a launch. JSON tailored to your runtime, for example Python or Node, so breakpoints work reliably. Then add tasks. JSON to automate builds, run linters, and trigger formatters. This streamlines development. Make sure to set up code actions and autofix on save, and connect the integrated terminal to the right environment or virtualenv. Once configured, you can run, step through code, and view variable values without leaving the editor. Finally, you finalize and verify. Sync workspace settings and extensions so your setup is reproducible across machines. Run a full test, inspect the debug console and problems pane, and confirm environment variables are correct. Once working, save a snappy tasks profile for frequent commands. If something breaks, first check the output and developer tools logs, then disable or reinstall the offending extension, and as a last resort reset workspace settings. This quick troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.